Hey guys, what's happening? What's going on? So in today's video, I got a nice package today. I'm really excited about this one. If you don't know what this is, it is a Dbrand envelope. Not sponsored. If you don't know what Dbrand is, pretty much it's skins and stuff for different devices, phones, game consoles, laptops. If you see here on this sound view right here, this carbon fiber is actually a Dbrand skin as well on my nice Alienware 17-inch laptop, gaming laptop. And today we're going to be putting two skins on the Switch. I have one for this Switch and I have one for this Switch. If you can tell, this one's been worn. I actually bought this one used. And we're going to be putting a skin on here so you don't have to work. I don't have to see this anymore. And I just really couldn't decide between two skins, so I got two because we have two. This one is Lauren's, this one is mine. This is the main one for the house. This was the one I bought first. This was the second one I bought. So we could play Animal Crossing together. That's really what this was bought for. So we're gonna be putting skins on both of these. But first, let's open up this package and check out the skins. There we go. Nice packing peanut. Okay, there's that. And we'll get rid of that. And okay, so I actually bought three skins. Nice Dbrand cloth here. It's pretty cool. I don't know, you can see it kind of says, there it is, Dbrand on it. We got three of those because we actually got three skins. I forgot. I did buy a skin from my Pixel 4 XL, and we'll go over that as well, but here is that. If you haven't seen my review on this yet, check it out. I really enjoyed it. It's been about a half a year since I've had this phone now. I don't know, 4 or 5 months. I'm still loving it, so you know everything about it. Might not do that in this video. Definitely gonna do the Switch ones first. Okay, so we've got these nice laid out here. Let's turn this one around. So the carbon fiber skin, that is to match this carbon fiber, and that's going on this Switch right here. So we got the carbon fiber skin. This one is one I'm really excited about. It's kind of like the see-through. It's kind of to make it look like there's no back to the Switch in this case. That's going to go on this one. As you guys can see, it's very worn. Down, this one was bought used. It doesn't have the kickstand. I can show you here on this camera. It's just kind of beat up, and I wanted to replace it with this skin. It's going to make it look like there's no back on it. I think it's really cool. I actually got that for my Pixel as well, as you guys can see here. So that's going to go on the phone, and it's going to make it look like there's no back on it. So I think that's just interesting. I like that look. I wasn't a big fan of this look when you could buy it like that way, like controllers back in the day. I'm sure they still have them where it's like see-through and everything, but I kind of like the sticker look of it. So we're going to be putting these two on. We're going to wait on this one for now, but yes. So let's get to it. I think I'm going to do the carbon fiber first, and I'm just going to kind of speed through me putting it on. And if you guys have any questions, you can just list them down below about putting this stuff on, but it's pretty much just a giant sticker. There it is. We got the front and the back. Matches the carbon fiber on this. Feels like carbon fiber. Obviously, it's just a skin sticker kind of thing, but I'm real excited for it. So let's get putting this on right now. There is the back. That went on pretty smoothly. Show it here. Nice carbon fiber, and yeah, we're gonna make sure that's all put on, and then we're gonna do the front. The front, I feel like, is going to be a little bit harder just because there's such a big gap. I do have the kickstand and the door still to put on for the back technically, but let's do the front right now because the front obviously doesn't cover any of the screen. So that's going to be the tough part, but we're going to give it an attempt here. there it is. Okay, so I have to put the door on still. I'm debating on potentially putting the kickstand from this one on here, just because I don't have a kickstand on this one. But there's that carbon fiber wrap on there. Let's make sure everything sticks well. I did not buy the carbon fiber wrap for the Joy-Cons because I have the Joy-Con stickers from this one, and I think that's gonna look really cool for this, because we only have one set of Joy-Cons right now. And we swap between the two of them as we play, because I play a lot on my screen because I stream with the Switch occasionally, and I don't need the Joy-Cons because I have the V Pro controller. So let's jump over to this skin now. I do really like how they send these in this nice little like kind of envelope thing. There's the Joy-Con ones. So where do we start? Let's start here. Get this picked up. Okay, here we go. All right. Guys, I don't know about you, but I think that looks pretty sweet. There's a couple air pockets I've got to kind of smooth out of here, but I mean, I'm thinking that looks pretty cool there. It's gonna look a lot better than what it did before. Obviously this look is not for everyone, I will say that right now. Like I said, I wasn't a fan of it when it first kind of became popular back in the day, but I am really feeling it now. I like this look. It's obviously going to make this Switch look a lot better than it was because I bought it refurbished. I'm digging that a lot. I mean, that's obviously, I got it with the gloss. You could have gotten it with the matte, but it had like this white kind of glare to it. But I think that looks pretty cool for the back of the Switch. And yeah, it's looking a lot better than the other one. So I'm gonna do the Joy-Cons in a minute, but let's see what we've done here so far. We got the carbon fiber and the like see-through look where you can see through the back of the Switch. Both I really like. I'll put them this way as well. And yeah, the carbon fiber has like, if you can hear that maybe, has like a texture to it, where this does not. It's just a nice flat kind of sticker here. That's that. Let's jump over to doing the Joy-Cons now. Here are the Joy-Con stickers. Let's see, which one do we got first? It looks like this one, potentially. Turn it around here. Yeah, that's the one we got. And we're gonna do the back first because it looks a little bit easier. So that curved part's the hardest part with the creases here. I'm sure you can kind of see it, but that's the back of the Joy-Con. And let's jump to the front. And ta-da! We have one Joy-Con all done, and that one's actually going to connect to this here. So that's what that's going to look like. I think that's looking pretty cool. Obviously I can put that on this one as well. Oh, we got to crease this down a little bit. I can feel it. You can pop that one on this one as well, and it adds to the whole effect there. But we only have one set of Joy-Cons, so it's going to go on whichever one is playing handheld. So that's one done. Let's grab number 2. You have it. Both consoles all wrapped up. So they're originally most of the time gonna be living on this one right here. Ta-da! Fully wrapped Switch with carbon fiber and the see-through Joy-Cons. I think it's looking pretty cool. We got the carbon fiber kickstand even. I was on the wrong side. So, boom. Cool. So then sometimes the Joy-Cons obviously will live on this one, which is mine right now. And then that will give it the full effect there. I think that's looking pretty cool, especially on the back. That's the whole point of it. Yep, ta-da, all done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do have another skin still to place on. I don't even know where I put it. It's right here. It's the same as this one, but for my phone, like I said at the beginning, and I will be putting that on later. I think I want to order a clear case first, so it makes sense, because with this case I'm just be covering up the sticker, and I don't want to do that. So again, hope you guys enjoyed that. Not a whole lot to it. The only thing that gets kind of tricky is these curves here, around there, because you could get some bubbling. I still got to work through a couple here, but other than that, we have a completed Switch, 2 of them actually. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe if you would like to see more stuff like this and other videos. I've been trying to live stream a lot. Like I said, I've been live streaming Animal Crossings and just other games, Warzone, Rocket League, all that stuff. So if you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe, turn the bell notification on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.